Hello, welcome to Edgar GT, and today we're going to be looking at this 2019 Camaro SS. Let's take a look. First, I want to talk about the color. This red hot finish on the Camaro screams pure muscle, and that black stripe down in the middle, it makes it look even more aggressive. Alright, and for the grille, we're going to be looking that it has a lot of aerodynamics. Literally every single part of the grille is made for the air to pass flow. Just look at this big hole. I really love that subtle change on the Chevrolet logo. Of course, this is an SS, and just look how different it looks from the previous model. And look at these rims. I really like these. These are going to be a 20-inch rims with 5 spokes in silver painted aluminum. The Camaro has always been more than just a car to me. In every game, Gran Turismo, Need for Speed, The Crew, it was the muscle car that I would always go back to. And now seeing it right in front of me, and not just in the screen, I know that I made the right choice every single time I selected that. So for this Camaro, we're going to be finding a 6.2 liter V8 engine, making 455 wheel horsepower and 455 pound-feet of torque. And yes, I will be showing you guys how this car sounds, but that will be later on the video.
Sit your ass down.
And for the trunk space, we're going to be finding a very large trunk. For the size of this car, the trunk space is not that limited. I think you can fit a couple of bags here, your groceries, with no problem. So there's no excuse to tell your wife that this is not the car for you. I really love this bucket seats. These seats, they're black and red, covered in leather, as well as the bottom, as well as the rear seats. They're also pretty amazing. We're gonna be finding a couple of good goodies. I do really like, I believe this is aftermarket, but it's still pretty nice. On your air ventilation is gonna be having 4 with this huge red ring right here. Have it right here and have it right here. I do love it that when you start the car, you're able to see the Camaro logo. The Chevrolet right here. Something that I want to point out right here is that we do have a rear view camera right here. I'm able to see my STI. Hi, STI. And this car is going to be a 10-speed automatic with your paddle shifters right here. Something very curious that I just found out about this car is that we do have a display here in the middle to point out the kilometers. It's a pretty nice touch, something very simple, but it's always very fun to see. Here's a fun fact for you guys. In the 2019 model, they introduced a 10-speed automatic transmission that was originally from the Corvette and the Camaro ZL1. All the previous Camaros topped out at 8-speed autos, but for the 2019, GM added the ZL1's 10-speed automatic that was co-developed with Ford as an option for the SS for a fee about $1,500. Okay, video's over. Yes, it's over. Bye. Nah, just kidding. Come on, let's go, guys. This is the best part. This is when we actually get to drive this car. So let's go in a little adventure. And right here, I was mounting the camera behind the car, but it was about to fall. It started to tilt sideways, and I was screaming. Luckily enough, I had my phone with me, and I saw that it was tilting its way down. Okay, so now it's moment to shut up and let's just listen to the car together.
Yes! 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 Yes!
And there you guys have it. This is the 2019 Camaro SS. It was a very fun car to drive, and this beautiful red color is just amazing. If you guys want to see it for yourself, it's right here at Jack Carter Chevrolet North Star in Cranbrook. If you want to check this one out, or they also have a couple of other cars here on their lot. They have GMCs, Sierras here, they have your Chevrolet, they have a Corvette. So if you guys want to head down here and take a look for yourself, you're open to do it. This was Edgar GT, and thank you very much to my GT crew for being here. Talk to you later.